Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a cool new update from Discord that allows you to easily view all the videos shared in your chats. If you've ever lost track of fun clips or important videos, this new feature is a game changer. So, let's get started. First up, open your Discord app. Whether you're using the desktop version or the web app, you're going to want to access your chats. Next, navigate to the specific chat or server where you want to search for videos. This could be a group of friends, a gaming server, or any community you're part of, wherever those memorable moments are hiding. Now, look towards the right top corner of the page. You'll see the search bar waiting for you. Click on it to get ready for the next step. In the search bar, it's super simple. Type in "has video" and hit enter. This nifty search command will filter all your messages to show you only the videos that have been shared in that chat or server. It's a quick and efficient way to gather those clips without scrolling endlessly. Finally, take a moment to browse through your files. You can now easily find those videos you've been looking for. Whether it's a funny moment or an important tutorial, everything is at your fingertips. And that's it. With just these few steps, you can view all the videos shared in your Discord chats. Make sure to give this feature a try and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.